Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kid Joy. On today's episode, we'll be making campfire favorites. Let's get started. So, campfire favorite, we'll go making s'mores. So first we're going to put the graham cracker on the plate. Now we put the chocolate on the graham cracker. And here's the fun part. So now we put the marshmallow on the fork. So remember kids, this is very dangerous. Get adult supervision.
So look kids, we're gonna torch this marshmallow. If you don't have a gas stove and you're not actually by a campfire, this is how you torch a marshmallow in the kitchen.
Hey look, it's burning. See kids, that's really dangerous. That's why you get adult supervision. It has fire on it, so be careful.
There you go.
Thank you. And voila. Toasted marshmallow. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. So now my dad's gonna melt the chocolate.
This will help the marshmallow and the graham cracker stick to each other.
Now we place our marshmallows. Oh no. And now for the final piece, crackers. And here's our s'mores. I think this is a really good time to end our video here. It's been so fun to do this with you, but I'm ready to eat. And if you guys like this video, just smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye!